Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Vechain. What's the current price of the Vechain, what's the prices occur in the Vechain, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very urgent update. Holders must watch this update and keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Vechain at this time in the market as 0.13396 USD dollar is the currently price of the Vechain. And now if you look the price changes occur in the Vechain, so absolutely now that's a good time of Vechain that the last 1 hour price change is going positive friends. So first of all, congratulations to all Vechain holder friends. Anyways, on the other side, if you look the previous changes occur the last 1 day and the last 1 week price change occur, so absolutely the previous change is going negative friends, but very soon with the passage of time the previous changes is also become positive friends. Now at this time in the last 1 hour, in the last 60 minutes the Vechain start pumping, so I hope that they will continue for a long time this jump. Let's see. Oh my god, this unbelievable jump so cool. At this time I think 4 cryptocurrencies, and I believe that all cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour pricing as positive. The Cardano, the Dogecoin, and same like that the XRP, and now currently Vechain is also going upward from the previous last 1 hour. So absolutely now at this time the cryptocurrencies market is going upward. So keep holding your coin, and that is the time to make a profit with the Vechain friends. Anyways, now the jump is the quick jump, so I hope the quick jump will continue and they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar and the last of this month friends. What do you think? If this kind of jump continue in the Vechain, so that can easily hit a 1 USD dollar and this month friends. My prediction about Vechain is 100% positive, and I believe that they are easily going to hit a 1 USD dollar friends. Anyways my friends, as you can see here the change occur in the Vechain as still negative, but with the passage of time the prices will become positive. Negative 19.2% the price is as negative, and the highest price is 0.168387 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 24 hours friends. So hope you like this video, and please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.